Hi, and welcome to the next episode about checking disk space. When working with storage or different file systems, you often need to report on the amount of disk space that is available or that is being used on certain file systems or on your disk. The command that we're going to discuss here is called df, and it simply reports the amount of disk space used and available. You can run it with specific options for human-readable display, to format it, including more details, including the file system that is being used, or displaying it for a particular mount point or particular directory. In the upcoming lab, we're going to show the different options that go along with the df command and how you can use it to analyze and inspect the amount of disk space usage within your file system. Please join us in this next lab. In this episode, we're going to be talking about checking disk space. So let's go into the activities, open up the terminal, and show you how to use the df command. This is a command that will let you know the disk space used and what disk space is available on certain file systems. General use of the command is simply df, where you can see, again, it's not very nicely formatted. These are the number of bytes, but it's really hard to read. However, df can be made a little bit easier for human eyes by typing -h, and you can see that now those bytes have been turned into megabytes and gigabytes and kilobytes, allowing you to have a more easy to understand view of what's going on regarding the disk space. So you can see how much size, how much is used, and how much is available, and the percent use for each specific mount point here. We can point to a specific mount point, like we can actually say df -h, and I'll add another one called t, which adds additional details, including what file system we're using, and we're going to just say for the root file system, please show us, and it's going to say this is of type XFS. The total size is 46 gigabytes. We've used this much, and this much is available. This much is the percent used. So this is the df command. Again, there are other ways, and again, if you read through the manual pages for df, you can have a more complete understanding of the different options and how to actually use this command, although it is quite simple, reporting disk space usage. That's it for this episode. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.